Good morning, everybody. In the last lecture, we completed the topic carboxylic acid. Today, we are going to start the new topic compounds containing nitrogen atom. This topic consists of two parts, nitro compounds and amines. So, we will start the part A, nitro compounds. In this topic, we are going to learn here introduction, definition, classification, nomenclature, preparation, as well as reactions of nitro compounds. So, give the title nitro compounds. First point is the introduction. So, give the title introduction. Functional group for nitro compound NO2. It can also be written as N double bond O, O minus plus. This is the structure of this one, nitro group. Now see, nitro group, NO2 group has minus I and minus R effect. That is electron donating inductive effect and electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron withdrawing resonance effect. So this is the point here. So second question, nitro group shows isomerism with nitrite group. Now see, I will explain here. This is your nitro group. It shows isomerism with nitrite group. O, N, double bond O. This is the formula for nitrite group. See, the formula for this one is NO2. The formula of this one is also NO2. In nitro group, nitrogen is directly attached to the carbon atom. In nitrite group, it is attached to the oxygen is attached to the carbon atom. So this is the important point here. Nitro group shows isomerism with nitrite group. Now when you will compare this one, this is more stable. This is more stable because it is stabilized by resonance. I will indicate the resonance of the nitro group. N double bond O, O minus. You can shift this one here, this one here. You will get the next resonance structure. N O minus double bond O, positive charge, positive charge. In this case, no resonance. No resonance. R stands for the resonance. So these are the important points here. Now see, when it is attached to the nitrogen atom, when it is attached to the carbon atom with oxygen, therefore these two are known as linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. So these are the important points about the introduction of nitro group. Functional group NO. NO2 group has minus and minus R effect, therefore it increases the strength of carboxylic acids. Nitro group shows isomerism with nitrite group. Nitro group is more stable while nitrite is less stable because it is stabilized by resonance. Now definition. So give the second title here, definition of nitro groups. Definition of nitro compounds. Now see, this is your alkane RH. It is hydrocarbon, contains only carbon and hydrogen. When hydrogen atom of the alkane is substituted by NO2 group, you will get here nitroalkane. Nitroalkane. When one, see the definition, when one or more hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon such as alkane are substituted by the corresponding number of NO2 group, the derivative is known as nitroalkane. Nitro compound. See the example here. This is a cyclohexane. This is a nitrocyclohexane. This is methane. When this hydrogen atom is substituted by NO2 group, nitromethane. This is your ethane, C2H6. When this hydrogen atom is substituted by NO2 group, it will become nitroethane. This is your benzene ring. When one of the hydrogen atom is substituted by the NO2 group, you will get nitrobenzene. When you will write here NO2 group, it will become M-dinitrobenzene. So see, when one or more hydrogen atoms of the hydrocarbon are substituted by the corresponding number of NO2 groups, the derivative is known as nitro compound or nitroalkane. Now we are going to learn here the second point, classification of nitroalkane. So give the title, classification. We completed 2 points, introduction and definition. Now third point is the classification. First I will take the revision of the alkyl halides and alcohols. Classification of revision of the 2 points, alkyl halides and alcohols. Now see the point here. If you consider here RCH2X, that is a primary alkyl halide. When X is replaced by the OH, that is a primary alcohol. Primary alkyl halide as well as primary alcohol. RCHRX, this is a secondary alkyl halide. When this X is replaced by OH, you will get here secondary alcohol. So this is the first type, second type, third type. RCRR, when X, it will become tertiary alkyl halide. When X is substituted by OH, you will get here tertiary alcohol. Now I am going to learn here nitro compounds, classification of nitro compounds. Now see here, in this case, when all these H and OH are substituted by the NO2 group, right here NO2 group, again here nitro group, here NO2 group is attached to the primary carbon, it is attached to the secondary carbon, it is attached to the, so we can say that nitro compounds are classified into 3 groups, that is a primary, secondary and tertiary. So this is the point here. This is similar to the point that is classification of alkyl halides as well as alcohols. So briefly I will explain classification of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are classified into 3 types, primary, secondary and tertiary nitro compounds. In primary nitro compounds, NO2 group is attached to the primary carbon atom. In secondary, it is attached to the secondary carbon atom. In tertiary, it is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Now the next point, that is the nomenclature. See, nomenclature is not given in your textbook, but sometimes the question will be set on the title, nomenclature of nitro compounds. So give the title, nomenclature of nitro compounds. So first sentence is very important. Nitro compounds are named by only IUPAC system. Only IUPAC system. So this is the very, very important sentence. See, up to this point, we learn that nitro compounds, we learn that alkyl halides, alcohol, phenol, ether, carboxylic acids, aldehyde, ketones are named by 2 or more system, that is common system and IUPAC system. But this is an exceptional case here. Nitro compounds are named by only one system, that is IUPAC system. Now see the examples here. CH3NO2, this is your formula. Its IUPAC name is nitromethane. nitromethane. Similarly, we can write the structure of nitroethane. Second example, CHNO2, benzene ring, NO2 group. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3. This is 1,3 dinitro cyclohexane. Now next example, benzene ring, NO2 group. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Then next example, CH3 benzene ring. This is your toluene, NO2 group, NO2 group, NO2 group. This is known as 2,4,6. 2,4,6. This can name here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,4,6 trinitro toluene. So these are the important examples. Again, take the 2, 3 important examples for the nomenclature of nitro compounds. So second example, CH3, CH2, CHNO2, CH2, CH3, CH3. Now see here, this compound contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms in a straight chain. Therefore, parent alkane is hexane. Now the numbering must be from the right hand side because 2 is smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are the 2 substituents on the carbon number 2. There is a methyl group on carbon number 4, nitro group. Therefore, 2 methyl, 4 nitro, hexane. Parent alkane is hexane. So these are the next compounds. You can also write here aromatic compound, OH, benzene ring. This is a phenol, NO2 group. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 3 nitrophenol, 3 nitrophenol. According to phenol, you can also name by the common system metanitrophenol. So these are the important examples of the nomenclature of compounds. Now we are going to start here preparation of nitro compounds. So give the title, preparation of nitro compounds. Preparation of nitro compounds. In this case, you have to learn the 6 methods for the preparation of nitro compounds. So first I will explain by nitration of alkane. First method, by nitration of alkanes. So this is your first method, by nitration of alkanes. Actually, there are the 2 methods, A and B part. A part is the vapor phase nitration. Vapor phase nitration. And second is a liquid phase nitration. This is the industrial process. Vapor phase nitration is industrial process because it is carried out in the vapor phase and nitration is possible on the large scale. So first I will explain the A part, that is the vapor phase nitration. See, our topic is the nitro compounds. We completed the point nitro introduction, definition, classification, nomenclature, and we started the 4th point, that is the preparation of nitro compounds. There are the 6 methods for the preparation of nitro compounds. First method is nitration of alkanes. Now, which reagent is used for the nitration of alkanes? The reagent used is concentrated H2SO, concentrated HNO3. The reagent used is concentrated HNO3. Actually, there are the two parts. A part is a vapor phase nitration, B part is liquid phase nitration. So I will explain A part, that is the vapor phase nitration. So give the title A part, vapor phase nitration. This is the industrial method. Second important point, carried out at high temperature, because vapors are present at the high temperature. Second, nitromethane CH3NO2 cannot be prepared by this method. Nitromethane cannot be prepared by this method. Now see the example. Alkanes can be represented by RH. This is alkanes. Suppose R is equal to C2H5, it is ethane. Suppose R is equal to C3H7, it is a propyl, it will become propane. So you will do the reaction with concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3 can also be written as OHNO2. This reaction takes place in the vapor phase. Temperature is 423 to 698 Kelvin. That is the high temperature. During this reaction, you can remove the water molecule minus H2O. So you will get here RNO2. That is the nitroalkanes. Hydrocarbons are there. In this way, this method is useful for the preparation here. Now I will take the important example here. This is the important example. Propane can be written as here CH3, CH2, CH3. See, this is the primary carbon, this is the primary carbon, this is the secondary carbon. You know the types of carbon, 3: primary, secondary and tertiary, as well as quaternary. But hydrogen atoms are 3 types: primary, secondary and tertiary. The order of reactivity of hydrogen atom, tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. According to this principle, when you will do the reaction with concentrated HNO3, you will get here the 3 different products. You will get here 3 different products. Now see, the first product is like this: CH3, CH2, CH2NO2. Second product is like this: CH3, CHNO2, CH3. As this reaction takes place at the high temperature, you will get the product CH3, CH2NO2 plus CH3NO2. During this reaction, cracking of the alkene will be take place, that is into ethane and methane, and therefore you will get here the different products, that is nitroethane and nitromethane. See here, this is the 1 nitroethane, this is the 1 nitropropane, 2 nitropropane, nitroethane, nitromethane. And see here, I will set the question here. This is A, B, C and D. 4 options are here. So I will ask the one question here, which is the major product in this reaction. I was said that the secondary carbon atom or secondary hydrogen atoms are more reactive, therefore this is your major product. According to this is your major product. So this is the drawback of this method. Polynitration can be take place here, that is major product. Now we are going to learn here the B part, that is the liquid phase nitration. So give the title B part, liquid phase nitration. So take the brief revision on the vapor phase nitration. It is industrial process carried out at high temperature. Yet because it is a vapor phase, nitromethane cannot be prepared by this method because methane is highly reactive. Alkanes reaction take place at high temperature. This is the point here. So give the title liquid phase nitration. First important point here, it is not suitable method for the preparation of nitroalkenes because polynitration take place in liquid phase, because polynitration take place in the liquid phase. Therefore, it is not a suitable method for the preparation here. Second reason is that this process is a very slow process, very slow process or reaction. Due to these two reasons, it is not a suitable method for the preparation of nitroalkenes. Now, second method from alkyl halides. So we completed the first method. Now we are going to write here the second method, that is from alkyl halides into bracket Rx. So see here, Rx are converted to the RNO2. Alkyl halides are converted to the nitro compounds, and the question will be set, identify E. Identify E. The A is nothing but AgNO2, silver nitrate. Now when you will remove this AgX, you will get here nitroalkane, AgX. So this is the method here. See here the simplest example, CH3CH2Cl plus AgNO2. You can remove here AgCl, you will get here nitroethane, CH3CH2NO2 plus AgCl. You will get here nitroethane. Now I will set the one question here on the Rx. Order of reactivity of this reaction is Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than Rcl, because Ri is highly reactive. As the atomic size of the halide increases, bond length increases, bond strength decreases, and reactivity increases. So this is the important point here. Now when you will take the C6H5Cl or take here chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, AgNO2, reaction is not possible. Reaction is not possible. Sometimes student may say you can remove here AgCl. This reaction is not possible. So remember that nitrobenzene can be prepared by nitration of benzene ring by using the nitrating mixture. It is a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Remember that by this method nitrobenzene cannot be prepared. Now we are going to start here the third method, that is, so give the title, third method, that is sodium salt of halocarboxylic acid. Sodium salts of halocarboxylic acids. This is your third method, particularly alpha halocarboxylic acids. You have to be learn here sodium salt of alpha halocarboxylic acids. So first I will explain here carboxylic acid has formula RCOOH, but here we want here alpha carbon atom, therefore I will indicate here CH2COOH also. This is alpha carbon containing carboxylic acid. Here we want alpha halocarboxylic acid, so alpha halocarboxylic acid will become RCHXCOOH. Now we want here sodium salts, therefore the formula will become XCOONE. This is the formula for sodium salt of alpha halocarboxylic acid. First, I was explained the term carboxylic acid RCOOH. It does not indicate the alpha carbon, then you can indicate the alpha carbon. Then alpha halocarboxylic acid, and then sodium salt of alpha halocarboxylic acids. Now, in this case, most important point here, by this method, only lower nitro compounds are prepared. That is the compounds containing less number of carbon atoms. Second important point, reagent used for this reaction is NaNO2, sodium nitrite NaNO2. See the reaction here, RCHBr COONE. This is alpha bromo sodium salt of. This is sodium salt of alpha bromo carboxylic acid. You will do the reaction with NaNO2. You can easily remove here NaBr. So I will write here minus NaBr. So you will get the product RCH. Which group will be attached here? NO2 group. You will remove the NaBr. You will get here COONA, sodium salt of alpha acid. Then this compound will be undergoes hydrolysis. This will be undergoes hydrolysis. Next step is the hydrolysis. Addition of water. You will add here the water molecule and break the molecule in this way. HOH, you will get here RCH2NO2, that is a nitroalkane, and you will get here sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. So in this way you will get the product. In put R is equal to H, you will get nitromethane, R is equal to CH3 nitroethane. In this way you can prepare this way. So this is the third method. Now fourth method from primary amines. Fourth method from primary amines. That is RNH2. First important point, by this method only tertiary nitroalkanes, that is R3CNO2, are prepared. Primary and secondary cannot be prepared by this method. The reaction is oxidation reaction. Reagent used for the oxidation is alkaline KMnO4, potassium permanganate. See the reaction here, primary amine RCRNH2. 4 oxygen atoms you will add here. This is the oxidation reaction. Reagent is alkaline KMnO4. See, you will add here the 2 oxygen atoms here. Make the correction, 3 oxygen atoms are added here, 1 oxygen atom here and 2 oxygen atom here. By using this you can remove the water molecule. So I will get here and you will get the structure RCRNO2. This structure and this structure is same, and this is a formula for tertiary nitroalkane. So in this way we can prepare the tertiary nitroalkane. Now fifth method, fifth, by using nitroalkenes. See, the alkene indicates carbon carbon double bond. So it will contains nitro group as well as alkene group. So give the title by using nitroalkenes. In this case, the nitroalkenes are represented by C double bond C NO2. These are the nitroalkenes. I will explain with the example CH3 CH3 double bond CH NO2. So this is a nitroalkene. You can give the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3. This is a 2 methyl, 1 nitro, prop, 1 in. So this will undergo the acid hydrolysis. H3O plus. You will break this bond here. You will add here oxygen atom. You will add here the 2 hydrogen atoms. Water molecule is added. By using this, you can remove the acetone. So one of the product will be acetone here. CH3 C double bond O CH3, and see the major product is the nitromethane CH3NO2. In this way, nitroalkenes can be prepared by this method. Now next method is from oximes. So next method from oximes. This is the last method. Oximes has a functional group C double bond NOH. Oximes are two types. One is aldooxime and second is ketooxime. Aldooxime has the general formula RCH N double bond OH. Ketooxime has the general formula RCR double bond NOH. So these are the probable questions on the oximes. The reaction used for the oxime is oxidation reaction. The reagent used is CF3CO3H. The name of this compound is trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. This is oxidizing agent. It oxidizes aldooximes as well as ketooxime. So I will make the A part for aldooxime and B part for the ketooxime. See the A part RCH double bond NOH, B part RCR double bond NOH. So this is aldooxime, this is a ketooxime. So he will do the oxidation reaction, addition of oxygen. He will carry out this reaction in presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid CF3CO3H. Again the same reagent CF3CO3H. So in this case, this oxygen atom will be added to the nitrogen. See here, this will be added to the nitrogen. This will be added to the nitrogen, and you will get the next structure RCH double bond NO, positive charge, negative charge, OH. Again in this case, you will get the same thing here RCR double bond N, O minus, positive charge here OH. Now it undergoes the tautomerism, and see the tautomerism here. Tautomerism, again here tautomerism. You will shift this one here and this one here. This hydrogen comes to this one. So what you will get here? RCH2 N O minus double bond O, and this is a primary nitroalkene. So primary nitroalkene. Now again shift this one tautomerism. You will get here RCRH, hydrogen atom must be here. Then you will get here nitro group. This is a secondary nitroalkane. This is secondary nitroalkane. So see, remember that by hydrolysis of aldooxime and ketoxime, you will get primary and secondary nitroalkanes respectively. So these are the important questions on the title, preparation of nitroalkanes. Now I will start the next point, that is reactions of nitroalkanes. So give the title, reactions of nitroalkanes. See, our point is the reactions of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes undergoes 5 types of reactions. So one by one I will explain that 5 reaction. The first reaction is a reduction of nitro compounds. First reaction, reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are shortly denoted as RNO2. So I will explain the reduction of nitro compound here. When you will take the nitro compound RNO2, do the reduction by the 3 different ways. A, B, C. In the first case, you can use your steam and concentrated HCl or lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. This is known as a catalytic hydrogenation. You will get your amines, particularly primary amines you will get here, RNH2. The byproduct is twice H2O. During this reaction, 4 oxygen hydrogen atoms are added in this reaction. Second thing, again here 4 hydrogen atoms will be added, nascent hydrogen, but reagent is different. Here reagent is zinc and ammonium chloride. In this case, you will get here N-alkyl hydroxyl amine. N-alkyl hydroxyl amine, and the byproduct is H2O. When you will do the C part, reaction with SnCl2 in presence of HCl, the product is again N-alkyl hydroxyl amine, by byproduct is oxime, particularly aldooxime, RCH double bond NOH. So this is the formula for this one. So remember that reaction here, a reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are represented by under RNO2. This can be reduced by 3 ways, A, B, C, by different reducing agents. You will get here the different products. Now second reaction, hydrolysis of nitro compounds. So give the title, second reaction, hydrolysis of nitro compounds. Second reaction, hydrolysis of nitro compounds. Here hydrolysis is reagent usually is H3O plus. It can be also written as H2OH plus. Now see that you will get here the different reagents with the different. So I will give the summary here by the 3 ways A, B, C, primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkanes. Primary nitroalkane, secondary nitroalkane, tertiary nitroalkane. So in this case, you will do the reaction with H3O plus, H3O plus, H3O plus. The products are different here. You will get here carboxylic acid, you will get here ketone. In this case, no reaction because no hydrogen directly attached to the carbon atom. So because here no hydrogen on alpha carbon, this is the reason here. There is no reaction. Here byproduct is NH2OH hydroxyl amine. Then here byproduct is a nitrous oxide N2O plus H2O. So these are the reactions here. So I will say that therefore it is a distinguishing test. It is a distinguishing test. Distinguishing test. Now see the particular example of the primary nitroalkane. Primary nitroalkane can also be represented by in this way. This is a primary nitroalkane. When you will do the reaction with the water molecule H3O plus, that is addition of water will be take place during this reaction, and you will get here directly the product RCOOH and hydroxylamine NH2OH. Second reaction, 2 times RCHRNO2. This is the secondary nitroalkane. You will do the reaction with H3O plus acidic hydrolysis. You will get here 2 molecules of ketone RCOR dash plus nitrous oxide N2O plus H2O. So in this case you will get here carboxylic acid, you will get here ketone. This is the important point here. See the example of tertiary nitroalkane RCRNO2. This is your alpha carbon. When you will do the reaction acid hydrolysis, no reaction, region is given here, no alpha hydrogen atom. Therefore this is the point here. Then next reaction is a NEP carbonyl synthesis. It is a very important. Before the NEP carbonyl synthesis, I will explain the tautomerism in nitro compounds, because the NEP carbonyl synthesis is based on the tautomerism. So give the title, tautomerism in nitro compounds. Tautomerism in nitro compounds. So first important point, it is shown by only primary and secondary nitroalkanes and not by tertiary nitroalkanes, because no alpha hydrogen in tertiary nitroalkane. So I will make here the two parts. A part is primary nitroalkane. Primary nitroalkane has the formula RCH2NO2. This is the detailed structure of the primary nitroalkane. It shows the tautomerism because it has alpha carbon atom, alpha hydrogen atom. And see the tautomerism here. You will shift this one here. This one here. The hydrogen atom migrates from carbon to the doubly bonded nitrogen or doubly bonded oxygen atom. Therefore, you will get here RCH double bond N positive charge OH O minus. This is called as acai form. Acai indicates acidic form because this hydrogen is attached to the carbon. Carbon is electropositive. This hydrogen is attached to the electronegative. Therefore, this hydrogen atom is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Therefore, it is called a acai form. It is also known as isonitrofor. Isonitrofor. It is also known as nitronic acid because of this acidic hydrogen. Remember that this hydrogen atom is acidic in nature. Now I will explain the second part, that is secondary nitroalkanes. Secondary nitroalkanes. The general formula for secondary nitroalkane is R2CHNO2. Negative, positive. Again you can show the tautomerism here. Hydrogen atom migrates from carbon to the oxygen atom. So you will get here RCr double bond N, positive charge OH, O minus, and see this hydrogen atom is again acidic in nature. Therefore it is also form of, aside form of the secondary nitroalkane. It is the isonitronic acid. But remember that it will not shown by the tertiary nitroalkane because there is no alpha hydrogen atom. If you understand this, then and then you will start understand the next reaction, that is NAF carbonyl synthesis. So give the title NAF carbonyl synthesis. This is the very important reaction, NAF carbonyl synthesis. This reaction you will understand only when you will understand the term tautomerism in nitro compounds. Because this is the fundamental point of the NAF carbonyl synthesis. So I will take the brief revision, tautomerism in nitro compounds. It is shown by only primary and secondary nitroalkanes and not by tertiary nitroalkane, because tertiary nitroalkane do not have alpha hydrogen atom. So these are the tautomerism of the primary and secondary nitroalkanes. Now I will explain the term NAF carbonyl synthesis. So I will explain the three terms here, NAF, carbonyl and synthesis. Here synthesis indicates preparation. Here carbonyl group has C double bond O. NAF is the name of the scientist, that is the preparation of carbonyl compound such as aldehyde and ketone is known as NAF carbonyl synthesis. Now try to understand here NAF carbonyl synthesis. So first important question here, synthesis or preparation of aldehyde and ketone from primary and secondary nitroalkanes is known as NAF carbonyl synthesis. Preparation of aldehyde and ketone from primary and secondary nitroalkane is known as NAF carbonyl synthesis. So I will make here A part for aldehyde and B part for ketone. A part synthesis, that is a preparation of aldehyde from primary nitroalkanes. So you have to prepare the aldehydes from primary nitroalkanes. This is a two-step reaction. This is two-steps reaction. So I will explain that two-step. So see the formula for primary nitroalkane, RCH2 N double bond O, O minus. This is a primary nitroalkane. It will undergo the tautomerism. Just now I was explaining the term tautomerism. Shift this one here. You will get here RCH double bond N O minus OH. This is acidic in nature. Then you will do the reaction with NaOH. You can easily remove the water molecule minus H2O. So you will get here RCH double bond N O minus Na plus O minus. This is sodium salt of nitronic acid. Sodium salt of nitronic acid. This is your step first. Step second, sodium salt of nitronic acid is treated with H2SO4. So RCH double bond N OH, and then here O minus, here ONA, sodium salt of nitronic acid. It is treated with 2 molecules of H2SO4. You will get the product aldehyde 2 times. Here you need here, this is a 2 times RCH double bond O. This is the formula for aldehyde, plus you will get nitrous oxide, plus you will get here 2 molecules of sodium bisulfate NaHSO4. This is known as a laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. So remember that you will get this structure. Now I will explain B part. B part is a synthesis of ketone from secondary nitroalkane. If you understand this synthesis, then you will understand. So I will make the change here. Only this hydrogen atom is substituted by R. So similarly substitute this hydrogen atom by R. Again you will get here R. Same reaction. Again you will replace this by R. So again you replace by the R. And this is the general formula for ketone. The byproducts are same. So we completed the point synthesis of aldehyde as well as ketone. This is known as carbonyl synthesis. Now next reaction, that is halogenation of nitroalkanes. This is the third reaction, halogenation of nitroalkanes. The reagent used is, nitroalkanes are indicated by RnO2. Here reagent used is halogen in presence of NaOH. It is shown by, second important question, it is shown by only primary and secondary nitroalkane and not by tertiary nitroalkane, because no alpha hydrogen on tertiary nitroalkane, because tertiary nitroalkane has the formula R3CNO2. This is your alpha carbon atom. There is no alpha hydrogen atom on this case. So write down the reaction for the primary and secondary nitroalkane. So first I will explain primary nitroalkane has the formula RCHNO2. This is the primary nitroalkane. You will do the reaction with halogen. Suppose your halogen is Br2. You will do the reaction with NaOH in presence of NaOH. See the reaction. Reagent used Br(X2)NaOH. You will get here RCHBrNO2 plus NaBr plus NaBr. Byproduct is H2O. Again this will be react with the second molecule of Br2 and NaOH. And you will get here dibromo derivative. This is monobromo derivative. You will get here dibromo derivative and NO2. Byproducts are same, that is NaBr plus H2O. So remember that primary nitroalkane use the two derivatives, that is monobromo derivative and dibromo derivative, because it contains two alpha hydrogen atoms. Now second part I will explain secondary nitroalkane RCHNO2. When you will do the reaction with Br2 and NaOH, you will get here only one product, that is R2CBr NO2 plus H2O plus NaBr. You will get here only one derivative because it contains only one alpha hydrogen. Third, R3CNO2. When you will do the reaction with Br2 and NaOH, in this case no reaction because this is a tertiary nitroalkane. It do not have alpha hydrogen atom. So I will write here because no alpha hydrogen, therefore no reaction. So we completed the reaction nitro compounds. Now fourth reaction, that is reaction with nitrous acid. Reaction with nitrous acid. It is a distinguishing test between primary, secondary and tertiary nitro compounds because it gives different colors with this one. So next reaction, reaction with nitrous acid HNO2. First question, it is unstable. Second question, therefore it is freshly prepared from NaNO2 and HCl. In this way you can get here HNO2. Byproduct is NaCl. Third question, it is a distinguishing test. It is a distinguishing test between primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkane. If you consider here primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkane, first it will get blue color, then blue color will be converted to the red color. Here you will get only blue color, here no reaction because no alpha hydrogen, no alpha hydrogen. Here this color test is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkane. Therefore it is a distinguishing test. Now next reaction, that is the condensation reaction. Condensation. This is your fourth reaction. Fifth reaction, condensation with aldehyde and ketone. This reaction same as the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Now see the formula for aldehyde. If you consider that is aldehyde general formula, that is acetaldehyde, and you can take here the compound that is nitromethane. Suppose if you take here aldehyde, that is a formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, you will do the reaction with nitromethane CHHNO2. You can easily remove here water molecule and you will get the product PH CH double bond CHNO2, alpha beta unsaturated nitro derivative. This is example of aldehyde, that is particularly benzaldehyde. You can also select the example of ketone. Say example is acetone. Again you will do the reaction with nitromethane. Again you can remove the water molecule here. In this reaction you will get here CH3 CH3 double bond CHNO2 alpha beta unsaturated nitro compound. So these are the reactions of nitro compounds with aldehyde and ketone. So we completed the 5 reactions. So we completed the topic nitro compounds. In the next lectures we will start the second part, that is the B part, amines. Okay, thank you.